What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are gonna see how can you stop Facebook autoplaying videos. So as we can usually see that if we head over to our videos or watch section in Facebook, our autoplay is always turned on by default, and after one video is done, another video just shows up, right? So you have to go to your Facebook to sort it out. So head over to Facebook and then make sure you have logged into your account. Then tap on the three lines, and in here go to the settings option, or you can go to the rules option too. Sometimes it might take a while to load. Let me just see it with my data. So now go to the rules section. So once in there, just head over to this reel section and you will find this. So you have to go to the three dots on the right and go to the settings in here. If you can't see it, you have to go back and go to the settings option in here and search for videos. So here you'll find several options of videos. If you can't find that, then search for reels. Go to this reels option in here, and as we can see, there is the option available for me to turn off the autoplay, but you can find the option of autoplay in here and you can turn it off. So I'm just searching for autoplay. Let me check if it is available. So as you can see, it's not available now. So in here, I can't just turn it off, but in your region, it might be available and you can turn off the videos autoplay in here. So hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.